Only you can heat my burritos right, spinning round like disco balls, in your warm fluorescent light. Only you know the art to nuke stew. You're the master of the beep and the queen of leftover goo. Oven boo, you're my beeping dream come true. You hum a lullaby when I stand by you. You make my soup go kaboom in the bowl. You're the sizzling wizard of my soul. Only you understand my midnight needs. You're not scared of soggy toast or my 6-pound mac and cheese. Only you never say clean me, please. Though your door is kinda sticky. You're my kitchen MVP. Oven boo, we've got a new bond. You're buzzed like a bee in a science pond. People say, boy, you've lost your mind. But you reheat pizza like a pro every time. So here's to us, my Whirlpool queen, with your spinning plate and your touch screen. Gleam, only you, Oven boo. Beep, 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 I love you. And that's the end of the song. And keep coming back for views and thumbs up to support my channel too. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel for updates. You'll love to watch them all. So I have to say goodbye for now and watch for updates soon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.